Four electricians not at all alike in dignity, in fair Plymouth where we lay our scene. From ancient plugs comes new mutiny, where faulty wiring makes houses scream. From forth the fatal tools of these two foes, an unfortunate woman finds her ruined life. That tragic accident negligence shows, but with correct wiring bury the woman's strife. The fearful passage of that death-marked plug, and the continuance of the woman's rage, which but for a cup of tea naught could shrug, is how the 10-minute traffic of our stage, to which if you with patient ears attend, what here shall miss, our toil shall strive to end.
My kettle doesn't seem to be working. Hello, I'm Morris and that's Jasper and we're the Plugs for You electricians. If you want a job done and you want it done cheap, then call 090 111 500 500 because we're the company for you. Hello, we're the Plugs for You electricians and we're here to fix your kettle. Cheap as chips, that's our motto. Come in, it's this way. Get the kettle off, you twonk. Come on. Oops. That'll never notice.
The blue one goes in there, the brown one goes in there, and the stripy one goes in there.
No, you twonk, the stripy one goes on there.
Oh, so we just shove them both in?
Oh yeah, good idea. Where's the fuse?
Oh, don't worry, I have my trusty paperclip.
Good idea, mate. What's that bit?
Oh, don't worry, they won't miss it.
Right, put the case on. Oi, we fixed your plug. Woo! Tools, £58. Wire cost £965.
Don't forget the SPT.
Oh yes, SPT and VAT £64. That comes to a total of £9,364. And please.
This is a diagram of the plug wire by Plugs for You. They put the wires in the wrong places and instead of a fuse they used a paperclip. The reason this is dangerous is because if there's too much current the fuse will help break the circuit. However, if a paperclip is used the current will build up and eventually cause a fire.
Good day, my name is Charles. And my name is Philip. And together we are the Royal Electricians. If you would like a job done well, to Her Majesty's high standards, then we are the company for you.
Hello.
Good day, we are the Royal Electricians. And we will endeavour to fix your kettle.
Thank goodness.
Perfect. Earth, live and neutral, all in safely. Go. Excellent. Madame, your plug is ready. Just wiring the plug, £10.
This is a diagram of a plug wire by the Royal Electricians. All the wires are in the correct places and a fuse has been used instead of a paperclip. A plug has 3 wires in it. The green and yellow one is the earth wire, the brown one is the live wire and the blue one is the neutral wire. The cords of the wires are made of copper because copper is a good conductor of electricity. And the outer layers are made of plastic because plastic is a good insulator. The easy way to remember where each wire goes is to take the second letters of the words blue, brown and striped. The blue wire goes on the left, the brown wire goes on the right and the striped wire goes on the top.
Trumpeter, go! Camera!
Four electricians not at all alike in dignity, in fair Plymouth where we lay our scene. From ancient plugs comes new mutiny, where faulty wiring makes houses scream. From forth the fatal tools of these two foes, an unfortunate woman finds her ruined life, that tragic accident negligence shows. But with correct wiring bury the woman's strife, the fearful passage of that death-marked plug, and the continuance of the woman's rage. But wait, I can't say this!